Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a post call from React.js using fetch, and I'm going to create a API in Node.js. Let's start. This is the demo. Here I'm going to type something like this, okay, and click send. Means here we have console. This is response data, okay. I'm going to network here, and yeah, this is our API. Here we send payload as name and this content, okay, sorry, and here we have response data, okay. Yeah, let's start. Here I already created a React project, and also I am running this project. I am to create a form, and this is input, and here name is name, and placeholder is also name, and after that I am going to create a button, and this is send, and I want to create a and submit, and I want to pass event here and then submit, and I'm passing here, and I'm going to copy this. Here I'm going to create a arrow function const. I'm going to get that event here. First I console the e dot target dot name, this name, okay, this name, or you can change this name to name val, okay. Copy this name val dot value, save this and go to browser, and here I refresh, go to console, I type something and click send. Here we have a console, but page is refreshed, so we need to prevent that. So e dot prevent default, and save this and go to browser. Here I type something and click send. Yeah, we have this input value in console. I'm going to create fetch. After this fetch, and this is URL. I'm going to paste and just give a URL. After create a post API call, we will paste that URL here, and after that I'm going to create a method. This is post, okay. After that I'm going to pass the body content, body. You can pass your own content what you want to send in body here. Now I'm going to pass the input value in this, okay. Before that I need to use the JSON.stringify. I'm going to convert all content in string. This is name and this is keyword, okay, and I'm going to pass this value. After this, and after we sent a post call, we need to get a response from API. So here I'm going to use then here res, and here res dot I'm going to get a JSON value. After that dot then here val, and val, first I console the value, okay, when we get response. Save this val, sorry, yeah, this val, and I want to create a post API, okay. Now here I already created a Node.js project, and also I am running this project, okay. If you don't know how to create and run Node.js project, means I already make video about how to create and run Node.js project, and I leave that video link in this video description. First watch that video, after that see this. Yeah, I'm going to install this Express.js package, okay, npm package. Copy this, and also we need to install this cars, okay. First install that in your Node.js project. After that, yeah, I'm going to, in my case I already installed, okay, const here, this is Express, and I'm going to, yeah, here I am importing, okay, using require here Express, and also const here const app express. Here I'm going to create a port number. Okay, here I'm going to run this API in 1000 port number, and if this API is running, I mean this server is running, means I'm going to print a console log. Save this. Yeah, here we have console because we are running this server.js file. Here after that I'm going to create a post call app.post. Here this is API name. Okay, API name is post API. This is our API name. Here we are going to get a request from requested value in this from front end, and we are going to send the response to the front end. Yeah, here first I console the request. Here we are sending the value in this body. Okay, so here request dot body console this value. Here just demo. Okay, demo, this is string. Save this and I'm going to copy this value. Okay, API name, go to browser. Here we are running this API in 1000 port number. Okay, this one we are running this API in port number 1000, and after that paste the API. Here our API is, sorry, this post API. Yeah, after that click enter. Yeah, you will get this message because this is post call. We can't able to get the value from this, so copy this and go to React.js code, and here change this URL into our API URL, and save this and go to browser and press this page. Here go to network and I remove this. Here type demo and click send. Here post API call is triggered. We sent a payload here, but we don't get any response because we are not send any response to the front end from Node.js, but we will get a console here. Yeah, this is here request body is printed, I mean this, but it's undefined because we are not specify the content type. Here app.use, here express.text. Save this. Again I move to browser, and if I click send, yeah, go to API. Here we get a body, I mean request body, this value. Okay, we want to send a response. If user sent a content in the name, means we will send a response, success response. Otherwise if it is empty string, means we are going to send a error message. Okay, so here before that I want to add a const. This is data, request data. Here I want to parse the value because we got value in string, so this is stringify value. We are going to convert this stringify into normal object. Okay, so here JSON dot parse. Here I want to paste the request body, and first I console this and paste the request body. Yeah, save this. I click send, go to API. Here this is stringify value, this is parsed value. Okay, we are going to use the parsed value. Here if request data dot name, okay, name, copy this and paste it here. If request data dot name is not equal to empty string, okay, empty string means we are going to send the response. Okay, res, this one, this response, copy this and paste it here. Rest dot send, or you can send a object, sorry, JSON. Here first I'm going to send the this request body, same request body here in data, and paste it here. After that we are going to send the success message, MSG, and here response from backend. Yeah, save this, go to browser, and if I refresh this page, I remove this and I want to clear console. Yeah, it's already cleared. If I type something and if I click send, API get failed, but payload is sent. I think we will get a, yeah, we got a cars origin error. In this case, we are going to use this cars, this npm. Okay, here we need to import that npm. Here we are already installed it. Okay, const here cars. Okay, cars, and here require, and I'm going to import the cars here, this one, and I'm going to copy this after this or before this. Okay, app dot use cars, and yeah, save this and go to browser. Here I'm going to remove this and this also, and type demo content and click send. Here this is payload we sent, and yeah, successfully we got a response. This is we sent value in response, this content. Okay, we sent a payload, we sent the same payload value body content in the response. Here we got a response from backend. This is, yeah, and if I remove something, sorry, if I remove this and if I click send, we are not get any response from API because we need to send a error message. I mean, sorry, here we need to send, create a else case. Okay, here rest dot status is 401 and dot send error, string error. Save this and go to browser. If I click empty string value, here we get error, this is failed. Okay, API is failed. Hey, we get a response. How? We need to refresh this page, and if I send, yeah, we sending payload. Sorry, payload is empty string. We are not restrict this empty string in front end, we restrict this value in back end. That's why it's sending the payload, but we don't get any response here. We got instead of response we got error. Yeah, if we send some content here, if I click send, here we get response from API. Yeah, this is what I try to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.